Folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 hit all-time high today, 698, a resistance, and a little bit pullback. Some profit taking, possibly. I think this one wants to touch 700, and then we'll see what it does at that level. Oftentimes becomes a resistance or remains a resistance, and then price pulls back. The 80 MA, 688, 50 SMA, and 680 are the lower support. Looking eventually, if it breaks and sticks about 700, 707, and 716. AAOI making a move today, breakout with volume. Communication equipment, 48, 56, and 65, very wide levels of resistance, target resistance. So be aware of the volatility if you choose to swing it. Support is 43 and 41. You can place something in between, such as 53, 56, 61, and 65. ANET is a swing, continues to show bullish energy. Today went to 152.80. I want to tighten the stop slightly. 140, so yesterday low 143, and then this low here 139, just a bit. 155 second target, 164 third target. CRCL, this seems to have woken up. Intraday there was some mess. And then in the post market is down. So this is crypto related, something going on in crypto. The volume is bullish, but the close is negative. And in the post market now is very close. So we'll see. Any positive opening tomorrow has a potential to extend, but if he opens lower and breaks below today low without recovery, expected retest of 70. For this one moving forward, 76 and 80 are the targets if against the bulls pick the pieces up and take it higher. Intel moving higher after disappointing earnings. Bearish kicker went down to 42, stabilized yesterday. Today with a bullish kicker, bullish Friday kicker, a move that came on the wave of NVIDIA announcing or a plan to have the Intel facilities produce NVIDIA chips in 2027 or 2028. I can't remember. 2027. Let's put it there. Anyway, so investors received that with a positive news. This is a swing now, initiated today on the pullback of 48. 51, 53, and 56 are the targets. Support 47 and 46. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.